Very good afternoon, children. I am L.K. Tripathi here. Though, children, we have finished our targeted syllabus, we are in advance, but it is better for us to revise the syllabus which we have finished already through different types of method. So, this is a discussion for you through this new video. Though already we have discussed about the chapter in online sending videos, but this is next attempt to make you understand properly through this method. Let's discuss maps based on scale. Maps are largely divided into two broad categories: large scale maps and small scale maps. What is large scale maps? These are maps that show small areas in greater detail. These use a smaller scale. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. All topographic maps are large scale maps, usually drawn on a scale of 1.50000, means 1 centimeter is equal to 50,000 meters. So there is 1 kilometer in 1000 meters. So you can multiply it by 50,000. So you can find out the distance कि जो टोपोग्राफिक मैप है लार्ज स्केल मैप शो करता है, इस पर लार्ज स्केल को लगाया जाता है। ये इस स्केल को हम ड्रा करते हैं 1.50000, मतलब इस पर व्हेन वी पुट द स्केल लार्ज स्केल ऑन दिस मैप, it is automatically understood that 1 centimeter will show 50,000 meters on the map. These maps show relief and other natural features such as rivers, lakes, forests, as well as human-made features, roads, cities, and trees. Tourist maps are also large-scale maps. Next, small scale maps. These maps show larger areas with lesser detail, such as a wall map. Here the scale used in large, for example, 1.65 lakhs. Atlases have small scale maps, show a scale that represents a larger area would be a small scale map. A map of India on a wall map or even in an atlas would be a small scale map. एटलस या मैप ऑफ इंडिया पर हम स्मॉल स्केल मैप को लगाते हैं जिसमें लार्जर डिटेल को शो करता है। मैप्स बेस्ड ऑन कंटेंट्स के बेसिस पर कैसा है? मैप्स कैन बी ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाइड इनटू 3 ग्रुप्स बेस्ड ऑन देयर कंटेंट और पर्पस. What are they? First, physical maps. Physical maps represent the physical or natural features of the Earth's surface, such as the relief map of the world or any country, vegetation map, soil map, or land use map. In these maps, the geographical features are important, not the boundaries. So, in a physical map of the world, you may not see the boundaries of the countries. Different colors are used to show different altitudes and other features as in map 4.2. 4.2 map, if you will observe, you will find so many facts. Weather maps show the movement of the weather system, distribution of rainfall or snowfall, areas of equal temperature or air pressure and wind direction. Topographical maps show great details of the natural features of a small area, including rivers, lakes, mountains, etc., along with human-made areas like parks, wells, cities, and towns. Maps that are based on a theme or a topic are called thematic maps. These maps can also show different types of soil, forest areas, the distribution of mineral and industries in an area. Political map. Political map shows the political boundaries drawn as lines of countries, states, districts, cities, villages or towns. Distribution map show the distribution of crops, minerals and forests. Nautical charts are used to navigate ships. They show details of the shorelines as well as depth of water, rocks, location of lighthouses and bows. Aviation charts show airways, traffic control towers, airports and air routes. Geological maps show the ages and types of rock and soil. Tourist maps feature places of interest, museums, monuments, etc. Atlas. An atlas is a collection of maps usually bound as a book. Besides including maps of the world, selected continents and countries, it may also include information and diagrams related to geographical features and population area. Sketch. A diagram that is drawn without taking into consideration the actual distance between places or direction is called a sketch. Important landmarks such as hospitals, shops, offices, ponds, bridges, etc. can be marked. It is not to scale and is a drawing from memory. For example, if your father has to give you directions to reach his office, he will draw roads and landmarks from his memory. Plan. A plan is an outline drawing of a building or a room or a small area. It includes the accurate direction, symbols and distance, much like a map. A plan gives many details, whereas a sketch gives only the main features of the area to be studied. A plan is different from a sketch because it is drawn to a scale. That's all. Rest we shall discuss in the next video tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.